Hello, everyone. Greetings to you all over the world, wherever you're watching this video from. This is just a quick announcement, and this registered pharmacist. This opportunity is just opened 2 days ago, so it's still a very fresh one here in the UK. So, this is a position of registered pharmacist, and looking at this, you have several benefits to this, including relocation assistance, including UK visa sponsorship. So if you're within UK, if you're outside UK, you can give this a try. And I'm gonna go down a little quickly, and I'm gonna show you there was a pharmaceutical role like this that was also the open that I shared on this same channel a few days ago, and it also has this option. That is the last option you're seeing here. It says license slash certification, registration with the GPHC required. Now it was also attached to that particular job role that GPHC registration is also required. But when I tried to apply for that job role, guess what? It it was written there that the GPHC is optional, is not required. So sometimes they just want to really filter stuffs, but when you give it a trial, you sometimes have to see the final stage of what is needed. So in this case, you can give it a trial also, and it might not be required. Some of these things are just like an additional stuffs. Some of these registrations are things that they can do for you once they know what you're capable of, once they know what you have the ability to do, especially when they see that your CV has all that they require. So that's why I encourage people to submit a good CV before applying for job. Don't apply for job like every other person, or like you just see a job and you just rush into it. Make sure you look at what they need, filter your CV in that direction, and then you can apply for it. So I give anyone applying for this job best of luck. Um, Thank you very much, and I'm gonna see you again in my next video. This is just to share the update quickly. Bye.